Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2024 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 6947. It's ran from the 12th 2023 to the current shape. It has a 4N16 2.4 litre twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4N16 2.4 litre twin turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel guitar, left hand door mirror, left rear 17-inch steel wheel guitar, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel wheel guitar, right rear and right front door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch steel wheel guitar, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-speed leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.